Can quantum computers run neural networks? At first, this sounds like an obvious yes. Neural networks are about computation. A neural network is a mathematical model made of layers of numbers. These numbers represent inputs, weights, and outputs. Every neuron performs simple calculations using real numbers. All of this runs on classical computers, which store information using bits. A bit is always either 0 or 1. Quantum computers work very differently. Instead of bits, they use qubits. A qubit is not just 0 or 1. It can exist in a combination of both at the same time, a property called superposition. Their states are linked in ways that have no classical equivalent. Because of this, quantum computers operate using probabilities, not fixed values. This creates a problem. Neural networks rely on precise numerical values. Weights are real numbers. Activations are real numbers. This leads to what are called hybrid quantum classical models. So the short answer is yes, quantum computers can be used with neural networks, but not in the way most people imagine. The real lesson is this. Quantum computers are not just faster computers. They are different computers.